Welcome to Accademia Barilla. The ingredient of the month is a very famous Italian cheese that is Gorgonzola. Gorgonzola takes its name from the village of Gorgonzola that is in the north of Italy, just outside Milano. Gorgonzola is made from raw milk that is brought to a temperature to 28 to 32 Celsius degree, and then is added with rennet and a selected malt that is mainly Penicillium roqueforti. Once we have obtained the curd, we start the process of salting and moving them in a specific storage rooms. After 3 weeks, the rounds are ready to become Gorgonzola, and this is a very special technique. The cheese has to be pierced with the steel needles. The holes that we create, or they create, allow the air to go inside, so that it primes the culture of Penicillium roqueforti that have already become part of the curd. As you can see, this is the part where the round has been pierced, and so the mold has developed along this hole. The taste could be mild or spicy depending on the aging, that could be up to 6 months. You can use Gorgonzola as an ingredient for antipasti like bruschetta, or pasta sauce for risotti, or on a cheese platter with fresh fruit or compote or honey.